We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can set up the motion detection for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first you will need to launch the IPC 360 app, log into your account if you haven't already, then open the devices section, go into the camera settings, then open the alerts preferences or alert preferences. First, if you would like to enable the motion detection, switch this toggle on. Now decide if you would like to hear the sound once the motion is detected. And now you can go into the alarm time or motion detection time and sensitivity preferences. Here you can customize the time frames during which the camera will be sensitive for motion and will detect it. You can set the customized times as well, as you can see here. And you can also manage the motion detection sensitivity from low to all the way up to high. Then save your changes. And now let's test how well the motion detection works. What do we have in alerts? Yep, so here's the alert that came through at 14:21. And this one is probably me moving my palm, right? So let's check.
Set up the motion detection. We are...
Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.